In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a relationship map in Confluence using draw.io. To kick things off, let's jump into Confluence and start by creating a new page. Once you are on your dashboard, click on Add Page. This will bring you to a clean slate where you can name your page. For today's activity, let's call it Table Structure Demo. Giving your page a meaningful name helps others identify the content of the page easily when browsing through your Confluence space. Next, we want to integrate draw.io into our Confluence page. To do this, simply type in the command draw.io. This enables the draw.io diagram tool directly within your document, making it seamlessly accessible for visualizing various concepts. You'll then notice an option to insert a new draw.io diagram. Go ahead and click on this option to start building your visual map. When you are prompted with diagram templates, you'll want to select a base for your work. For this tutorial, we're going basic, so click on Basic, which should suit most initial needs for straightforward diagramming. As soon as you've done that, select the Blank Diagram option. Working with a blank canvas lets you creatively expand your map as broadly as needed without being constrained by a predefined layout. Now it's time to create your diagram. Click on Create to finalize your setup. The idea today is to build a relationship map that visualizes the connections between people. For instance, within a business or a company. On the left-hand menu, look for and open the Entity Relation dropdown, which is typically the second shape from the top. Using these shapes, start naming the individuals and detailing their relationships with one another, capturing pivotal information about their needs, motivations, or interests. To flesh out your diagram, add more shapes and use connectors to link different elements. One handy tip is to adjust the line stroke or straightness of your connectors for a cleaner look, enhancing readability. As you populate your map with various individuals, you can opt to represent distinct relationships by using different colors, shapes, and fonts. This visual differentiation makes for a more comprehensible diagram. For example, you might select one color for school employees, another for students, and a third for stakeholders who influence the school. Now that your relationship map is complete, remember, it's all about choosing the right shapes and setups that make the most sense in the context of your organization or project. To finalize everything, click on Publish. This saves your work and makes it accessible to your team or colleagues. Thanks for sticking through the tutorial. We've successfully created a comprehensive relationship map using draw.io, bringing structure to otherwise complex interpersonal connections.